Hello, soul family. This message is meant to reach you if you are somebody who experiences very intense, complex emotions. All your feelings can be accepted by you, but I see sometimes you are struggling because that could feel like a burden for some of you. That emotional, intense nature of you is actually your superpower. This is what your spirit guides want you to know. You are here to be free, free from everything. Sometimes life will be very difficult, but you're not meant to stay stuck in any of those intense emotions. You are meant to overcome them, go above, to reach your highest timeline. Your soul, your spirit is so free and light, and your powerful being, your higher self, will always guide you what you what you exactly need in that moment. So don't be afraid of the intensity. You're meant to experience all the colors, and always remember that that's your superpower. That's always showing you a way to heal. You are much more powerful than you think that you are. I'm sending you so much love. Take care of yourselves. Bye bye.